Good evening. How are you? I'm also good. Thanks for asking. Which part are you in India?
I'm sorry. Actually, your voice is breaking.
Okay, which part are you in India right now? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm from the south side.
Okay, which state do you belong to?
I'm sorry. So,
Which state do you belong to? Which state?
Telangana. Telangana. Telangana.
Telangana. Okay, are you a student or working?
No, I just completed my graduation. I'm searching for a job.
Okay,
And what about you?
which department have you completed your graduation?
In
Okay, what is your branch name?
PC,
Pardon?
electronics and communication.
Okay, so nice. What kind of job are you
Yeah,
searching? What kind of job are you searching?
in IT,
IT
IT field.
sector. Okay, have you appeared any interview?
Yeah, I'm just applying for them. I'm
Mhm.
not getting selected for exams,
Okay,
That's okay.
it's okay, but one day definitely you crack that exam
Yeah,
and may God bless you. As
yeah,
soon as possible, you get your destination where you want to reach, right?
yeah,
With your patience.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, can I know what you do for living? Student or like how?
No, 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 no. I am not a student. I am not a employee. Yeah.
Okay.
Then you tell how long have you been using this platform? How long?
I just use it for a few months.
2 months. Do you want to enhance your
Yeah,
English speaking? Do you want to
I'm sorry.
enhance? Do you want to enhance your English speaking?
Yeah, yeah. I just English communication.
Okay. Do you talk with anyone in English at home or your friend?
I didn't get you. What you saying there? Can you say that?
Do you talk with anyone in English? Do you talk
No,
with?
I just connected strangers.
Okay, you connect with only stranger, right?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, so nice because it is also required, right? Because we are staying in non-native speaker country, we don't have language partner and we don't get atmosphere to interact with anyone in English in
Yeah,
24 hours, right?
yeah, exactly. Can
Yeah.
I know what do you do for living? For
What I do for living, I don't do anything. I am unemployed.
okay.
Yeah.
Where
I,
are you from, by the way?
I am from east part of India. My state name is Odisha. Have you heard about Odisha?
Oh, yeah, I just remember I didn't know anything.
Okay, but it is a east part of India, and I live in Odisha, and I am a language
Okay.
learner. I want to enhance my English speaking. That's why I'm using this platform.
Okay.
Yeah. Apart from this platform, do you use different platform to enhance your English speaking?
No. Only this application.
Only this platform, right? How much
Yeah.
how much time do you invest through platform per day?
Not regularly. I'm not a regular user. I just use a very little
Right.
bit.
Mhm. Okay, if you get time, then you use, right? You are not a regular user.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Then have you talked with any foreigner ever in your life?
No. I didn't talk on this application. I want to connect with the people.
Okay, but I asked you, have you talked with any foreigner in English?
Hello, what?
Okay, right
Hello.
now it's okay. Can
Hello.
you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello.
Hello.
Yes, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Maybe network issue or something, I don't know, but I can hear you completely. Okay.